Hello, this is Griff, and I'm in Humboldt Redwood State Park. And if you follow me on TikTok, I will talk all about everything that lives in the redwoods because I am the naturalist for the redwoods. Officially, actually, I get paid by the state, and but also I do it on my own time, like right now. So subscribe to me, and you will learn all about cool ecological stuff like today, which is mind blowing because the last video I was talking about violets, and I'm still talking about violets because violets are dope. What makes them so awesome, you'll learn about pollination if you watch my last video, but there's a butterfly that's beautiful. Look at this butterfly. This is called a fritillary. You guys are like, man, he's old school. That's right, I'm old school. I'm lucky I learned how to turn this camera on. So, because it's my new one, it's fancy. But this is a fritillary butterfly, and all the greater fritillaries have to have violets to lay their eggs on or near, okay? There is some lesser fritillaries that will use passion vine, which is a beautiful vine that's native to the southeast. So in the fall, fritillaries lay a crazy amount of eggs, like thousands and thousands of eggs in the leaf litter, you know, the stuff that you rake out of your house, around violets. And then the caterpillars hatch and they look like little fly maggots, and they overwinter that way, just holding still in the leaf litter. And then in the spring, when the violets come back out, the caterpillars get warmed up and they start eating the violets. And they have to have the violets. Kind of like monarchs have to have milkweed. Fritillaries, greater fritillaries, have to have violets. No violets, they're gone. So if you believe in evolution, then they evolve together for a very long time, and so the butterfly can only eat the violets. If you believe in creation, then fritillaries and violets went on the ark together, okay? That's how close the association is. It doesn't matter if you believe in creation or evolution. You just have to believe, you just have to know that this fritillary and violets are awesome. And the fritillaries, if you plant a bunch of violets in your yard, you'll get fritillaries. And because there's 500 species worldwide, so there's probably one near you, and there's probably a type of fritillary that depends on it. And so you can have a bunch of these in your yard, and no one's ever mad at having too many beautiful butterflies in your yard. No one's going to come over that you met on Tinder and be like, well, I thought we were a perfect match, but you got too many butterflies in your yard. And you know, that doesn't happen. So planting native plants helps bring out the native insects that they evolved with, and then these caterpillars are songbird food. So this is everything's connected. So how did this relationship start? It's so complex and so interesting, and we need people to help us understand it. So come to the redwoods because the violets are about to bloom next week, and you can see this wonderful relationship start to unfold. In the next video about violets, I'm gonna tell you something even crazier. The next one is the craziest. It's unbelievable. I still don't believe what I'm about to tell you guys, but you can look it up because it's the truth. It's crazy. See ya.